What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech and I'm super excited today to show you a new way to customize your Galaxy watch. Whether you have the 42mm or the 46mm, Ringke has you covered with these new bezels, and basically all you do is you adhere them to the top of the existing bezel and that'll just change up the look, and let me tell you guys, it changes it up immensely. Enough talk, let's go ahead and check these out together and see what they look like. This is it. This is the Ringke Bezel styling kit, and really all it is a stainless steel bezel that you'll adhere to the top of your existing bezel, and it's a one-time use only. You cannot reuse these guys, so once you put it on, make sure it's what you like, make sure you get it done right, because if you take it off, you're really not going to be able to reuse these. So if we open up the packaging, let's just see what we get inside. Basically all it is the actual bezel. And then again, there are many different styles that you can choose from. I just have a couple here that we're going to take a look at, but there are other styles as well, guys. And you do have the installation instructions on the back. So if we take this out, this is it. This is a stainless steel ring. So it's sort of what you already have on your Samsung watch. Let me take this off and kind of show you guys what it's going to look like. This is what your Galaxy watch looks like normally. And this is what it'll look like. So again, you're really changing up the entire look of the device. I'm going to show you how to install this, but I just want to mention, for those of you that think it might be a tough install, for those of you thinking that you might not be able to do it, or maybe you're a little bit worried about ruining your watch or getting it wrong the first time, don't worry about that. These are really high quality from Ringke. They're stainless steel and they're just very durable. They do not bend easily, and the back of the ring is actually contoured exactly to match the bezel of your Galaxy watch. So it's going to be a really nice install. Just take your time, make sure that the watch is clean, because if you have dust under there, the adhesive will not adhere all that strongly. And that's just one thing to note, so make sure you do get all the dust and particles off of your watch before you install this, and if you do that right, you're not going to have any issue. You're going to have a really nice looking watch. I'm just going to show you how simple it is, guys. All you got to do is peel off this little tape here. And then again, it doesn't matter how you position it because your bezel does rotate. And then what you want to do is just carefully place this on the top. And it sort of slides into place perfectly, guys. There's really no way you could mess this up. And now just sort of rub your finger around the entire bezel here, just to make sure that the adhesive is sticking. Let's just do that. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just take a look at this. This makes this Galaxy watch look like a completely different watch. And just take a look at the height difference. You're really not adding all that much height to the watch. Just a little topper. Just take a look at that, guys. And I think this just makes the watch look super cool. Just take a look at it. You're not adding all that much height to your watch. And the install took less than 30 seconds. And I think it makes the watch look so much better in my opinion. And of course, the reason why you'd want to install this, not only to change up the look of your Galaxy watch, but you also want to protect that bezel. If you're worried about getting it scratched up, or maybe your bezel's already scratched up, you want to put one of these on there just to protect it, to make your watch look better again, to make it look nice. We all know once we get a scratched up bezel, the watch is just not as enjoyable as it first was. So I'm just giving you a whole look at it, guys. This is just like a 360 type of view, just to show you how much extra height this adds, which is negligible in my opinion, for the amount of style that you get. And for those of you wondering, rotating the bezel is just as easy. No issues about rotating this bezel. None whatsoever. It kind of feels stock. It doesn't feel like there's anything else on top of it. So this is a silver one, guys, and all I gotta say is this is really cool. This thing completely changed the look of my watch entirely, and it kind of looks like the old Gear S3 Classic now in my opinion. And for those of you that really didn't want that two-tone black and silver look, this is the way to completely change that, to make you guys happy again. So just take a look at this. I'm really digging this one personally. I'm liking the stainless steel look. It makes me think I have a new smartwatch. So if you're getting a little tired of the way your smartwatch looks, this is a way to change it just for a couple dollars. And I'm really digging the silver one. Let me know what you think about this silver one. This one here just adds a little bit more originess to it. Just take a look at this one. This is another one, guys, and this is the black and yellow. It just makes your watch look a little bit more sporty. Maybe turns it into more of like a diver type of watch, a diver style watch. What do you think about this one? this has been a look at the Ringke Bezel styling kit, and I think it's something that you should all get. We all like to customize our watches, either with watch bands. Now we can do a little bit more with a bezel kit, and I think this looks really cool. These aren't really intended to use if you are swimming with your watch, so if you are a swimmer, over time the adhesive will come loose. That's just something to note, but regularly washing your hands is not really a big deal. Links will be down in my description. I really appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.